So this is a brief update video. I've gone from about 100 vacuum cleaners to about 70 vacuum cleaners. I have downsized greatly, mainly due to being away at college for 3/4 of the year, so I'm keeping mainly machines that have some form of sentimental value to me, or otherwise some form of value. But anyway, most of my vacuum cleaners are now stored in my basement, with the exception of the two-speed rainbows that I bought a few weeks ago. So, without further ado, here are the vacuum cleaners that I currently have and store in my basement. My blue Phantom Wildcat, as well as my red Phantom Wildcat. I used to have a green one, but I traded that. I have this Kenmore Drytech along with another Drytech behind it, and a Phantom Capture, which again is almost identical to the Drytechs with the exception of the color scheme. Phantom Crosswind 600 XL, as well as its somewhat similar looking Phantom Cyclone XT, although the Cyclone itself is totally different. Kenmore Destiny Plus, as well as another Destiny Plus. The only difference is the amps. This one's 11 amp and that one is 12 amps. Kenmore Destiny 3000, Phantom Fury Limited Edition, as well as the Gold Phantom Fury. Back there is a Phantom Thunder, as well as a Phantom Filter Queen 95X. There's a Kenmore Twin Fan back there, as well as a Universal Upright and a Premier. And Fairfax A Touch of Class. Royal Deluxe Power Team. That is a great machine. I brought that to college, but I brought it back, and now I am bringing my Watermatic there, because I'm tired of buying and changing bags on my vacuums that I bring to college. Regina Housekeeper Plus, virtually meant, they were built so cheaply that they'd break even if you just look at them, but this one I managed to find in almost mint condition. Compact C9, one of my favorites. Hoover Elite Cyclonic, and Phantom Lightning, which I think I may have already shown. Bertman made Kenmore, Eureka 240A, Kirby 512, Kirby 515, a Royal 801, a 2-speed General Electric, as well as the straight suction Model 69 General Electric, the Hoover Model 105, which is the oldest vacuum I have in my collection, as well as the 750 Hoover, and the Hoover Model 28, which is kind of hidden by the Model 69 General Electric, as well as a Model 62 Hoover. And then on the other side of this section of my basement, I have my wall of canisters, or tanks rather. Kenmore Kencart, Rexair Model B, Hoover Constellation 858, a Eureka canister, very basic, General Electric AV45 hand vac, a plastic Eureka hand vac, a gray bar hand vac, a very rare electronic Hoover System 1000, Kenmore Magic Cord, Bradford Imperial, Hoover Invention 900, Hoover Slimline with the cord reel, Electrolux Model 30, Royal Air Model 260, Hamilton Beach Deep Clean, and this Lewitt Electronic, Airway Model 88, Rainbow D2, General Electric Swivel Top, Freak of the Boss Superlight, Sannyway, and my Silver King Model AE. So, with the exception of the two rainbows that are upstairs, as well as my Watermatic, which is also upstairs, that is my condensed collection.